Hi, welcome to the 24/7 VA career portal powered by Breezy HR that simplifies finding, applying for, and landing the right virtual assistant role for you. Ready? Let's start. First, go to 247va.com/careers or 247va.breezy.hr to visit our career portal. Then scroll down a little until you find the Our Openings section. Once there, you can review all the different open roles. You can also make good use of the filters to narrow down the roles that best fit your work preferences and experience. The department drop-down list includes various niches, from accounting or bookkeeping and administrative to digital marketing and e-commerce. You can also use the country and locations drop-down lists to find roles applicable to your place of residence. If you want to learn more about a specific VA job opening, simply click on it to find more helpful information, including the required experience level for the role, weekly hours, shift details, the client's preferences, tasks or scope of work, qualifications needed, client industry, and more. To return to the main job listings page, click the back button on your browser or the blue Job Openings hyperlink. When you find a role you think you may be perfect for, it's time to apply. Simply click the Apply to Position button on the upper right-hand side of the listing. Upload your resume and put your details. Provide consent to the privacy notice, and voila, you've just thrown your hat in the ring. Remember, you're only considered a candidate when you've submitted the required information and successfully clicked on the Submit Application button. If you're unable to find a suitable job opening for your skills and interests, or have a few questions about the application process, don't fret. Just type your queries into the chat box in the site's lower right corner. Our recruitment experts are ready to help you kickstart your VA journey. Please take note, your applications will be processed much faster if you apply directly to a position. Don't waste your time messaging us in the chat box, asking how to apply or what positions are open. Just jump straight into our open jobs list and apply directly. Easy, right? Do you think you're ready to start browsing and applying? Visit 247 VA's career portal today.